Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Dep 3 TV. This is your number one soccer podcast in the land. This is a pass and move. As always, angihambing i-one, ngihlala ngilama-gents ami, ngachi, kathi uyiswima iphuri.
Mina ngisweet dala. Ngisweet.
Bathini wangi?
Akazichisela ngayo.
Kuyachisa.
But hey, for the first time, this time ngihamba in a long time, ngibengilala ngibathile ingubo because ayusuku umqando uchaya.
Ewangi?
Uchaya.
It's glad to have you, my guy.
Mnandi. Ngiyathaku.
Suitman.
Mina mnandi kakhulu mntana. Kakhulu hayi ukudlala kakhulu.
Konke si.
Hayi konke correct, konke online.
Awula pressure.
Hayi konke uhamba ngendlela baba online.
Afa mkhokheni.
Yeah.
Alright mkhokheni.
Sikupana.
Uyisi.
Hayi kula plan.
Phela abantu abakwazi ukuthi umkhokheli. Hlala zabuni fit ukuthi aka mkhokheli. Uyisibutho.
Ushapu sikupana.
Amna sharp.
Sibona ukudliwa ibhoso.
Namhla it's part of football.
Namhla uyenza.
It's part of football nxa udla ichicken kungadla ibhola.
Aba accept it.
Bese namhla uchayisa ukuba.
Into encinye ngama ngcoach.
As always, guys, this episode is proudly brought to you by Lucky Bets, our number one sponsor. Asihambi sodwa. Lucky Bets ihlali isichasile. Guys, amaliga eEurope aqalisile. Mbone Spain. Asoma over 2.5 amancane lawana angenele eSpain. The European leagues have kicked off. EPL is coming through this week. You have your Community Shield idlaliwe. Gamblers, you know what to do. And sihlala sikhuthaza always ukuthi you have to be 18 years and above. Asifuna umfana omncane obhejayo. Butho EPL bra amaliga aqalisa eGold iqalisile to Premiership is on. Amaliga aqalisa kuvulekile. Abantu bese bekhala ngebhora.
Yeah, isizungu sisiyaba sisingconywana manje nxa ukuthi chicken idliwe lendazi so nyamba ngethutuzwa imenu kuyibhosi ngadliwa ngenye team la uhamba ethutuzwa team yakho so khona kana kuqhakathekile so for those who are the Lucky Bets punters, this is an opportunity and your time to always enjoy while you are watching your team. Team yakho iwina la uwina esikhwameni so konke kumnandi.
Clean madil.
But it's not tutuzwa imenu yini kodwa.
Yeah, that is.
I mean yacharge.
But mina ngijabule ama game hayi as long EPL ibuyile Spain konke
Yeah, Spain iqalisile.
European
Italy la yaqalisa Italy I think yaqalisa.
Ubuya hayi sizathiya into endiza. Mdala waqinisa. Ubuthi ndlisa imali yami mdala. Mdala. Bekunini kade mdala ubugodole nini mdala?
I think about Thursday.
Thursday. Ubuthi ndlisa imali yami mdala. Hayi indiza mdala lokho ayindeke. Indeke mdala amvutshela mama ngihamba ngepata.
But abantu bayo. Kulabantu
bayo.
Hanya kutshela kulabantu abayewina.
Bakhona abanengi vele kathesi.
Kulabantu abayewina
indiza manje. Baflya blind.
Indeke kulabantu abayewina. Ngiyakutshela uzabona ku comment section nxa ubheja indeke. Usitshele
kodwa wazi ukubheka mdala. Uyakhona ukuthi uthi hayi ngicela indeke le iyafikisa ku$2 anje. Ithi mayiqada kuflya mayisuka isithi iku90 ithi fluya mdala. Mdala kwakho kufika 100 times kungazayo kuye
hayi kuthi timing indeke.
Hayi
yakutshela but ibhora ku easy.
Mdala ngicela
ibhora yabukwathi
lapha kumele ngihambe khona mdala.
Ibhora ku easy nje yabula ibukeli.
Ibhora ku easy mdala.
Yabula ibukeli ubukwazi ukuthi liyawina yadraw yaziya over.
Ulinde 90 minutes ayikhona 10 seconds mdala. Ayindekhayi. Gamblers Lucky Bets hayi indekhayi.
Hayi abanye ngabe yavuna into kulapha casino hayi kunengi kakhulu akupheli.
Labodoli.
Uyafika kunengi ongakuphethe but usumbulele ngenteke.
Mdala kondle kakhulu. Ngilapha mfutheleni.
Silamanzi epula lokho abepula lokho bekhontiya besichasa bathi gents umsebenzi lo wenzayo siyabona muhle lingawomi man bese liwoma kakhulu so hayi siyabonga iphula lethabo awuzwakile kunomuntu ombize beef
mina ngifuna ukuthi ngikhulume futhi kathi
kunomuntu ombizile izolo wathi uMasuthu kadlala ufuna ukumvalela into lana iqinisile iphula ayibuye izozithengisela amanzi ephula siwabona
mina kade ngifuna usavereze lapha yena uthi usebenza eBF ukuthi athi iphula yena uyibone nga ngihambile izolo ama-tuck shop ayi-3 angizaye ngiyibone iphula and for sure phula mali ikhona sicela amanzi la abe yi-5 rand singathenga amanzi nge-10 rand
but ukhamba izolo bandonsini bathi i-episode yenu sayibona uMasuthu into ayikhuluma liqiniso iphula ayizibuyeli izozithengisela amanzi ephula wakho
awakho amanzi
phela lena sicale ukuthi abantu abawodayo lapha abawoda khona so now is what telling ukuthi khona amnandi amanzi lawo
no besides kunani abantu khanya ngani bathanda khona lokuthi ale boss
mala ngiyifree garage as long usithi Highlanders anjho omunye umuntu uyangena eBF lapha yathi sesinyamenhlele kuma terraces ngifuna into ebhale Highlanders sesehla sesiyaphansi sithi manje edinga amanzi ephula lana eHighlanders sewaswela
yeah
so yiko ngithi iphula yona ayizange by all means ukuthi amanzi lawa uma uthi iHighlanders iwina njengokuthi iHighlanders vele iyachaya vele malala la eBF sichaye kakhulu sicela ube sinatha amanzi ebhale ephula
ngifuna ungezelele because into le vele asondathe ngespect ukuthi kube into esi-discussa like esi-discussa namhla sokwe after yabo expect ukuthi into vele ukuthi ku-agreement kwawumele vele bevumelana ukuthi sesisebenza sonke iphula le vele kuvele kuhle kuthiwa akusele omunye umuntu ozathengisa amanzi estadium
100%
sizabe silamakhula
konke lokukhulumayo
but iproblem ibisisiba ngayo
konke lokukhulumayo konke lokho and those are valid points and are good points but you are not seeing the cause why iPSL mostly ingavumeli ukuthi amanzi engene kakhulu ikona amanzi engena kuma tax shop especially kubo VIP nga babalekela khona kanti nxa i-decision ka-ref ingasahambelana lani labantu belandeli bebhora selifaka inhlabathi selijikijela abantu eground iphula ayibe innovative ikwenze kube ngama-plastics amanzi lana esema-plastic amaphepha
njengasenigeria
ikufake la amanzi ayifrozen njengafrozen but engamanzi engafrizanga
ngoba lale yiplastic
alright i-plastic paper alright plastic
frozen
ekambe lawo eground engene eground plastic paper ukuthi umuntu enganathi uyakwanisa ukuthi nathi eqede lokho but lakho still umuntu uyakwanisa ukufaka inhlabathi but umsebenzi wokufaka inhlabathi unzima
hayi lina lithiwa ngokukhuluma ngapha kathi abantu abafaka inhlabathi kuphela ngabe Highlanders iHighlanders malanga la iyawina ayenzi
ngikambibizo lomuntu mina
hayi no
ngithi
zwana uthi amafenzi asho wena ungaye Harare uyangena even utshwala bayathengiswa amanzi athengiswa free wathi unga every stadium esingaso BF amanzi ayangena
uyakwazi ipoint yakho oyikhulumile yani you've actually given an idea uyaqina usenza njengochomntwana endazulu eVodacom sebeyenzile this is my idea
so kumele ube le mali
so kumele ubhadale it's actually a good idea I think bazalela chance asingene eBoreni wesikhuluma ukuthi amaliga aqale but bele tournament odidlala iWAFCON sakhuluma ngayo lacela wabonile oCherba engabatsha
ngiyibukelile nje
izolo bekule final Indomitable Lionesses
Cameroon
awu ethokholisini
but lokhu nini nje iMalawi ukuthi ifike njani kufinal ngokhipha wabo lwana
Malawi
awukhipha lwana
Malawi bekuyi first time yabo udlala kwaFCON
yes
but ukhipha lwana akakho
ubaseve kakhulu uGorena lwa
ukuze befike
ubaseve kakhulu uGorena ungacheka aninabe ngobe yibukela ngikho culture gents watch uWAFCON bele ngayibuka sesusola umuntu ekugcineni
undisappoint lazi bengisupport kanjani awundisappoint
hayi
but
amakhopora yena amngenele yani abebambe but kubo mama vele kulamanye ama mistake ongamela ungene ngeheart
khona vela asizekela ungena ngeheart support but lapha nabe support ngeneutral nje but ngisupport lelo kuzeni
ngoba usupport ayiboni uWAFCON ubungayibuki ubusupport Malawi
benisupport phela iCOSAF bese 2000 lathi ba but ibhora lakhona nje bilichaza ngike ngabukela futhi igame I think it was the semi final iCameroon idlale le time iNigeria awukuchero kana ukubamba roke iCameroon lokudlala iVirali roke baba
lokufika
akwayala phela kwayala legate kwacha more than
penalty
I was very much a penalty. Ama V1 amaningi kwasiva more than 13 attempts on target kwavala. Kwahle waphiwa man of the match. Kwalila.
But congratulations to Indomitable Lionesses. I think
that's the spirit of not giving up. Team that comment uthi this is their fourth time bengena ku final and they've never scored ku final.
They deserved it. Yeah. Eto'o was actually very happy. Kulento eyikhohliwe umjita ande lisabuya ngalena ku-album launch ngalo masudu wakholisa ubhudas wayibona i-depend
hayi vele kahle yonke into baba hayi depth yiyo baba hayi yonke into yayo ku setup proper abefuna ukuchaya lezi ezichayayo ezimnandi lezi lazo uzothi ungazichala hayi zazi ngamahara zimi kwapangitsho zabuyela kwafakwa la mse mfuna umthathela ama-agency amashit andazi corruption ayipheli
hayi asigqugquzeli
ngicela nithu lami ngikhona ngaphathela amashit but in terms of very set up from cocktail laba sadle ezinye izinto mntana phakathi from set up konke album launch bekusmart
try turn on brook special thanks to turn on brook yeah
akwenza ukuthi
I know the place
akwenza ukuthi ibuye lathi lapha mebhisi
I think sakhuluma labo
laba mntana
sakhuluma labo
balokunye ukudla mntana maybe ama-fesita nje mntana singadla lokhana ukudla mntana
sakhuluma but otherwise launch ngizwa abantu ababekhona ababuyile abaningi but proper well done to the Deb band the Deb 3 as a whole for an amazing job media team did well ama-visuals abanye baze bafakile
kusmart
yawazi abantu bebhora lo music bawuncane the Deb band i-album is there on all digital platforms you can stream the music lawo ukholise uenjoy ubabhalele ubatshele ukuthi umculo wabo onjani because basha umculo or-rich obulawayo oyesintini bathi bulawayo to the world that was beautiful to see thanks to Ipula Water also provided amanzi hayi into yakhona abantu abazange bethole nzima siyabonga kakhulu uxhaso continue behamba sithi continue ndihamba lathi siyakwazi indlela inde kunzima phela ukuthola abantu abakuxhasayo yakwazi
exactly
siyabonga kakhulu turn on brook sibonge okuhle designs sibonge Chibuku sibonge Ipula Water sibonge kakhulu uhlala sichasiwe back to Lokhuze Gents on the field of play bensithi uEto'o is doing an amazing job Cameroon
yabona there's one thing I realized about the football ukuthi khona if only we can invest, especially on the girl child game we invest from grassroots soccer in coaching, pitch, training facilities and everything else, it becomes better because the difference is especially la World Cup, they are now going to play Labantu who are not being coached but managed. There's a difference between a coach and a manager. A coach is grooming you, and a manager is just managing you. You already know what to do. So we've passed the stage of being coached, but now Tina stay level and no coach. So singadlula ku level when we begin to manage those kids which we have. We are kachana like ikakhulunywa of ngokuzenini umkanethi uthi khona iJoza sifuna ulungisela ukunema squad for 2027, which is something commendable. Ukuthi lani nxa livele iZimbabwe selivele abakwazi khona in the next coming years, maybe we put project 5 years to come. This is the girls who are going to represent us. Let us groom them. Sihamba. By the moment besiyafika ku 5 years, there's no longer a need for you to coach them. You are able to manage them. So in this short Africa especially so this.
Bemfuna the reason why ngikhulume president ka Eto'o ku confederations of Cameroon ngala mfuna ungenisa into. I've actually said this before. We take 10 steps forward, try 200 going backwards. mbone i-draw ye-COSAF ama-under 20. Zimbabwe is not there. It's so disappointing, guys. Yakwazi ukuthi ukhangelela ukuthi because ngeke sikhayile national team
ungela junior league.
singena junior development. Bese ikhomenda ilokhuzeni executive kaMagwizi ekanqobile Magwizi sithi siyabona ama steps siyabona like sikhulume kakhulu ngebhenki ABC junior league ya besikhayela abanye kube ngamanye ama fruits kuhamba because surely guys we cannot have Zimbabwe not participating in junior tournaments. Akuyenzi surely akuyenzi and sasola kakhulu i-committee yethu lana but yahambisa ama juniors although kulokunye okwenzakalayo but ama juniors ahamba akwanisa ukuthi edlale
kuthiwa kwi-normalization committee
it's not so normal but bemfuna ukuyiqamba but
yahambisa I think kwaqala kuhamba ama-under 17 and then kwasohamba ama-under 20
exactly
lamankazana futhi lawa ehambe siyaparticipate so yeah you expect ukuthi from normalization committee abangena abalandelayo laba befike beqhubeke khona phana be-improve kube ngcono but angazi ngani abalendlela yabafuna ukwenza ngayo izinto le explanation yabuyizwa ukuthi angamabala nje but it doesn't make sense.
But have you seen ukuthi what is the under 20, the under 17, the under 20 tournaments done to the under 23 and the national team? Because when I check out the likes of Teboho Kapin, Tinashe Ngomasha. Tinashe Ngomasha, they actually bamthenga bembone ku COSAF under 20. Umsona. Unengomasha, I think not Umsona, Unengomasha. I'm right, yes, I'm right.
Garananga nxa generation yakathesi umnashe Garananga lwana. La ngumuntu wasportwa product lama junior tournaments. Wasportwa khona phana wasambe eSend kathesi edlala emazweni.
You understand? So I'm actually disappointed. Mina angazi ukuthi le 200 or how many steps back esithathayo singa ezikubuhlungu nje angikwazi ukuthi ngakufaka njani ukuthi ngibonise ukuthi ngidane ongakanani because I told you ama tournaments onke ayenzakala ama juniors asikho bazathola njani i-experience bazathola njani i-exposure abafana labo esibagrumayo kade sabadlala ama-under 13 abadlala ama-under 15 tournaments abo-Bank ABC because kumele usizigeje sikwazi ukuthi okay right sesidlalile sodwa ngikhala asibathatheni phela beparticipate to ama-tournaments la abuyayo ngoba kade sikabi ama-under 17 uthola ukuthi asikho
ngoba i-COSAF le actor as AFCON qualifiers. I'm sure AFCON qualifiers la ibiza actor as World Cup
qualifiers as well.
So very which means sesikhuthe i-chain end sibili ama-tournament. AFCON yabiza ba next year after that kubi World Cup so it's 3 years ama-under 20 engekho in action.
Olympic qualifier service
khona ngabona ikufa kwebhora lethu ungathi uyananzelela remember kanathi kule Ghana liyana yabo Asamoah Gyan yasuka iGhana
under
20 kwathi sebefika ku level lelana ele World Cup akula babengekho unshakable vele babekwazi ukuthi into le vele sijwayele akula into enyuka iba kula nje njalo awethuka yabo so you know how to groom amalokuzena bona so lokho kwenziwe eZimbabwe is 30 angazi unte 40 maybe it's 100
200 steps back
maybe it's 1000 eZimbabwe like eZimbabwe the time usithi wow kabe ngani kumbe iblood eselihlatshiwe futhi ibhora
because check
eZimbabwe
honestly guys administration they mean according to me ibihamba sharp ama steps ama box amanje bebengani bayathika but ungabona sesehluleka i-developmental football
akola just
ambona ukuthi khathesi as we speak wena ubutho beqeda ukukhuluma ukuthi off air ukanathi bekhuluma ngeuthi South Africa sebeneme isquad thina sila coach national team asila coach bakhona besadinga but yet ama-qualifiers next year adlala khathesi I think is September because ama-qualifiers asida coach.
Yeah, that's a big challenge that we face as a nation. I think that they don't give agency into the things that need to be urgently attended to. So ikho kule problem khona ukuthi baqhakathekisa okwabo babona into okuqhakathekile kwabo ukuthi begijime besiyabukela ama-World Cup khona ngale lapho sebesingekho khona thina, but kulokuthi behlale phansi belungisa ukuthi why thina singekho ku-World Cup, why singekho kuma-competitions which so matters most, and we rectify those problems. Because angiboni nje isizathu sokuthi okungenza ukuthi into ze-COSAFA just ama-countries amangaka e-COSAFA and few countries in COSAFA region whereby you can fail to qualify for or to there's no need to qualify for that, it's just to ukuhambisa ama-players team. I don't see the reason why kuyehlulekile ukuthi sikwenze khona. So
Hlela sikhana ama-structures bra ukuthi they save ama-structures in place ukuthi we've got our under 15s, our under 17s, our under 20, our under 23 kube le structure because you're my feeders.
Quite in such to Katesi recently with you, I think it's last month back. Now saw this month basically Manash games la pelo kuzenini APF. That was an opportunity to select Lokuzenini ama players who are going to play for us. We don't mind. Mostly I don't mind losing. But I mind exposure. That opportunity is very important. When you lose, you come back and rectify your errors. I always say, you will never be a pro without making a mistakes. You will never become successful without failure. So, siyaqalisa sehluleka sithi siphezulu sesikhamba. But imagine nasifunga failure la phezulu singazange saqala phansi. Yiko kule nkinga.
Yiko lapho silahleka khona isikhathi esiningi because surely
mina but ngibona ngane enye into ehluphayo nje unikhulume ngo-Ethwa u-Ethwa ngoyebhora
manje former player,
it's a former player into ekuhathi yakhe leyana vele ebhoreni wona as much as manje sikhuluma la ngakhuluma la ngikhulume lo Ganethi ngikhulume lo Butho ngabantu bebhora balithanda ibhora nje. Last time belikhuluma eMatuta masingahlohla ibhashi Ubutho uqoka ibhashi kalihlohlanga lapha masingahlohla ibhashi kunabantu ebhoreni abasezikhundleni, most of abantu even kuma administration ikho kubona kusafa kanjani, even kuma coaches kunabantu abathole that platform ukuthi mina ngiyathola kumbe ngithole that opportunity ukuthi ngifundele coaching, but yet yena vele uyenzela ukala for kwemali but iheart yakhe ayikho ebhoreni. Kunabantu asema officeini kakhulu maybe bezifa khona ba but abekho ebhoreni but bona bakufundela. You understand? Yikho kwenza njalo uEtho ilo bekufundile but uPetho ngwebhora uEtho ambona ukuthi engahlala phansi uzothi kumbe kulabafana baye ama under 13 awe Cameroon adlalayo lapha uyahambe yawabukela but kulabantu they don't give vele ukuthi vele manje ngiyobukela ngoba asobe bhora but in terms of amaphepha balamaphepha oCAF abavumela kakhulu. So eZimbabwe we are suffer sisafa ngakhona even kuma teams zethu sisafa ngakhona ukuthi kulabantu abahambe bayafundela lento not ukuthi balothando.
Yeah, I think into kunya ngoMasuthu iliqiniso. You realize that ukuthi kona most people in uma professions amaningi they're not there because they've got a calling to do that or uthando for that, especially the calling imisebenzi njengabo teacher, nursing and stuff like that, because those are the job opportunities which are there. So la ungabona into ebhoreni kule sikhala sokuthi ngikwanisa ukwenza i-administrative ngayenza administration ngayenza people ngayenza accounting ngayenza lokho, so kule loophole laphana kufunakala i5 O levels ezizingela amagaya. Mina I prefer ukuthi makhaya ngathi wangena la nxengela 5 O level wayeza senzela something okungcono. So khona okuthiwa lokuzeni ukuthi khona abanye sebengena because they've got those qualifications which are needed, not necessarily the ideology ukuthi akwenziwa njani, because so ngafana ukuthi khona ukuthi khona mina ngilothando lebhora ngiyalithanda ibhora, I'm a football fan but I don't know how to coach, but ngiyakwanisa ukuthi since I see ukuthi lapha ngaba leluphola othi ngiyekwenza coaching ngiyifundele ngiyipasa sense yakwenza coaching because ngikufundele eclassini but angisukanga lakho phansi asonto kimi ngikwenzela ukuthi ngithole umsebenzi ngicela imali yami. So people they are turning those jobs for as profession, not only ukuthi khona to develop. They don't care about ilokuzenini development, they care about themselves so that they can get the ends meet ukuthi abantu abo bephile kuphela.
I would cry sesizamile. I think even amanye ama-episodes adlulile sesikhale ngayo kakhulu into le and ama-generations amaningi abekhala ngokuthi abantu bebhora as we are saying labo abafuni and into le angazi ukuthi iza-rectify kanjani. Abantu bebhora aba-passionate about football. They don't want to go into offices.
It's not like they do not want to go into offices, Yashi. I want to tell you the truth. And to be honest, most people, if I can go maybe 90%, I'm sorry to say, 90% of the talented guys who play if we Porangal, they are not academically gifted. So those 10% who are clever, they know ukuthi kona singati ukuze attain this post so kufuze ubele lokuze ninde sicoco esinje. Ukuze umuntu esithola isicoco uze ethola iqualification leyana akusafikeki because you don't have the necessary qualifications ukuthi ungene lapha. So sebengena bona babe befela kuphela enhlizweni ngiyafisa lami ukuba lokuzenini ukuba administration but angila 5 O levels. At my age I cannot go longer ukuthi ngikhambe ngibele passing ehlale eclassini so nganto kuyangisa ukuthi lenze ngihlale ngiqalisa ukufunda kuthi. So that's where the problem it comes now. But nxa kungama professions njengokuthi into driving ukuthi ufuna ukwenza udriver kufunakala 5 O levels. Ngihamba kuphela ngiyebhala iprovisional impass ngidrive ngiyakwazi udrive passing ngikhambe ngiye ngapha ngifuna khona. Because imisebenzi lana kule misebenzi thina isystem yethu isystem yethu ilungisele ukuthi sincindezelane not ukuthi sithuthukisane. I was talking to one person esithi kona do you know ukuthi kona i-O level ilokuzenini imates ebhala kulokuzenini ku form 2 eZimbabwe imates ebhala ku level lokuzenini eAustralia umuntu epass but eZimbabwe ngekuthi uwomisele uzithola umuntu opasile they don't teach ukuthi upass siyawomiselana most of the times ngezinto ezingancediyo but imisebenzi le yenze on ina eqhakathekileyo ayifuni isikole esikhathi esiningi. There's no need for you to have 5 O levels to be a mechanic. You just need to fundisa ukuthi bamba lokho ispanela so yenza so. There's no need for you to be 5 O levels to be ngobhilita. There's no need for you to be 5 O levels ukuthi khona ucoach ibhora. But there's no need for that. I'm not advocating ukuthi abantu bengafundi. But I'm not advocating for that. But I'm saying ukuthi khona singancindezelanini. Asinikeni nabantu amathuba. There's no need.
What you're saying is actually powerful.
There's no need ukuthi uthi umuntu uthobe ebenguzifa president ufunakala 5 O levels. You become the president. Ungathi uba ngupresident welizwe kula need ukuba 5 O levels. Uba ngupresident welizwe there's no need ukuthi ube 5 O levels. But kufunakala ukuthi ube 40 years kuphela. Usuba upresident wezifa. So kuzafunakala 5 O levels. What's the purpose of our advisors? Advisors are there ukuthi ngabu sebengadvisor bengincedise ngibone ukuthi ngenza njani. That's the purpose of them. Yibo abafuze befundi. Mina ngithatha umsebenzi.
Ngiyabuza lapho ubutho uvule enye topic sifuna i-episode yayo because singayingena deep ngendlela osuyibambe ngayo. You have touched on the educational system.
But I'm not saying ukuthi abantu singahambe esikolo.
No, that's what I'm saying. You have touched on the because ungacheka ngendlela esifunda ngayo khathesa imisebenzi eminingi ayisafuni i-education system esifunda ngayo kanje. Khathi ukhulume ngomakaningi ukhulume ngocoach webhora kuningi okwenzakala emhlabeni ongasafuni i-curriculum esiyenzayo. Yiko nsithi yabe sifuna i-episode yayo yodwa because what you've said into enkulu kakhulu.
Ngoba vele just ukuthi si David ngakhathesi wena ule over 15 or 20 years usukile esikolo so kuwachasa nama logarithm lama arithmetics empilweni yakho. Kodwa into sasikuchayisa esikolo ekhanda ngadla.
You understand?
So but nxa singafundisana ukuthi khona Masutu istino ngasifaka phansi lapho ufaka ilokuzenini usuyakha.
Sibe practical.
More practical. It helps. That's where the problem is. But that's the education in the way.
Lapho uthathe uraise ama points apha. Yiko lapho esifeyila khona.
Look at ubaba kube uthiwa babefundisa abantu abanje ngobaba nje. Kube sikuphi ngebhora.
Uthi Alibaba.
Wena kunje. Yeah. Wena kunje manje ngathi awukhetha abanye abantu okwazi ukuthi laba ngabebhora. Okwazi ukuthi loba mfika ngabantu abalithanda ibhora yabo. Kube ibhora likude. Hayi mana ngifakele kwenye example nje oyabe kukhangele but ubona ngokudakiwa nje. Asithi thina siya eLuveve kumbe siye eBhifa nje. Uganethi yathi nje asambeni ngemoto. Kadingi imali yefuel kadingi imali but uthi amashita asambeni sebukelani ibhora. But kulabanye abantu abezifa abalama offices angibabalenyembe abafuna abangenela ukuthi bafoswe ukuthi umuntu wezifumela abonakale hayi ukuthi yena ufuna
ukuhamba ground abakhamba bathumela umuntu
bathumela ufuna ukuthi abonakale ungene ngokuthi kumele abonakale what if lo othela ifuel yakhe ethi mashita asambe nini hayi yonke into uthi upamper from his own pocket yabona abantu abakangcona ala wathi kulabantu abaningi abafundi abantu ababelambe but ayibukela ibhorombe ayibhadala umfana
hayi point kabuthi inkulu kakhulu ifuna i-episode yayo but it's very sad what's happening because sabe sesikhangelela ukuthi kunama positives that we can take out of
everything.
You understand? From office, entire Zifa office. Because gents, honestly speaking, without the development, I see down. Singaqakathekisa development uzabona national team. I've spoken about this. Kana asila league. Ngabe kade bathi sizama ukuthi ube le DDC league like South Africa for example. Because ungacheka everyone went to the World Cup in South Africa. Played in the DDC league. You understand? Kuba easy sibe le reserve league. Kufa kube njalo sibe le reserve league sibe le national under 15 league under 17 league ngabe twice lemzamo enjalo esiyenzayo ukuthi siprosper ibhola lethu njengabe ngabe siyipi ngabe sikhachana
kakhulu kade sibisithi khona ama games aqalisa ezweni anti you find out ukuthi almost 99% of them if not 100% basuke kuma academies at the age 3 years umuntu seqalisela ukufunda ibhola lapha yafika kona 15 yabe senjani umuntu ndo
you understand ikho besichawo kubuhlungu but asithathe nama positives gents mbone ku Castle Premier Soccer League bani coach of the month player of the month
lapha mina ngilambuzo lapha because ucoach
Dynamos
coach Dynamos was unbeaten and then Unavaya was on fire yahlohla
the whole month of
yes so angila ma questions lapha
Puto
I don't have anything to say or to take out on that one because at the end of the day like I always say ukuthi khona handwriting I see epasisa umntwana but ama results sengwabhala kuhle ubele handwriting enhle but ungapasisi akutsho lutho so the results are speaking for themselves
Aristicus Yoba
ama results akakhuluma
is taking Dynamos to another level
but qinisile indaba handwriting lapha ni handwriting impi lapha
go coach but ama results
kodwa ama answer correct
so qakathekile kuphi
ama answer
thank you Unavaya clean
clean
lapha no what
then uJoe kahlalanga isikhathi kuma terraces eqeda ukuphuma ku platinum bahle bathi ethelwana bathi buya nga
wachayisana la
do you remember ukuthi ngatsho
wathini
ukuthi
kasontshela isikhathi
uJoe bamdopa kuthelwana
hayi nani yawazi umthiye ngazi ukuthi kuthelwana
no
hayi
uthi ithi kule team ezamdopa wakhuluma but ithelwana
wayikhuluma i-team
ngayikhuluma ngathi uJoe bazamdopa
hayi ikhulume futhi
uyabona nje
hayi ngithi ikhulume futhi i-team
akasadopeliyo
hayi oqalise ngayo okhuluma ngayo group ukuthi uJoe ufuna ikhona
i-team enkulu i-team endala ngangicabanga bazamdopa
bekungayenza ukuthi uye uboss olubhala
hathi umember njawazi umember
ke ukukhuluma i-forecast
umember vele uzivulela kancane ucoach okuyo
I think we say congratulations to Coach Joe. It's the time now to prove himself with less pressure. Team asehambe kuyo ayila pressure kakhulu but the only pressure which is there to survive relegation. That's the pressure and like lapha ekhona i-comparison for i-predecessor yakho ade uyifakile yabe inzima.
But yena akazifakanga yini pressure ngokuvuma umsebenzi wethelwa i-team ku-relegation zone.
No, uyazama ukuthi i-resuscitate. So you're going to try like what kind we did in Dynamos.
Njalo jobless.
So exactly like so.
Ungakufaka njalo.
Hayi iqiniso baba.
Ngithi ungakufaka njalo sizabuyela kulaphana odukhuluma.
Jobless yabe ngekho jobless as because vele nxa uterminate
contract jobless
yanika i-payout.
Yawunika i-payout. So yabe ngekho that much desperate.
You understand? So kumele uchoose wisely because there are two things that can happen. Tell one yakwanisa uba bad but kene besithi uJoe is a bad coach. Or afike like ubutho is saying afika i-resuscitate nje what kind you did abantu bebona uChomlo actually is a good coach You understand?
Because for example ukaenda uhamba ku-Dynamo le Kwekwe la yayifona
You-risk phela lokho.
agent wakhe efona blind iKwekwe sithi konke akufona siyamupha umtshitha
lokana you-risk looking at the looking at the log tape run lokana uyabu-riskini.
Mina ngizwela iplatinum.
Phela njengokuthi ingarelegethwa ilokhu zenini Tel 1 labana bonke abaxotshiwe ayisibe abarelegetileyo so
Songutsho yabona i-big risk enkulu kakhulu into uthi it's two ways kebe kungapha langa ukuthi ethethe umsebenzi then uchomo wakhe omthathile umsebenzi ku platinum ngale i-work permit lokho ngapha kanti i-work permit
but
eZimbabwe
lami ngiyamanga ukuthi uhamba njani ngoba umke we-Dynamo i-permit kwaba
one week
i-work permit necessarily it doesn't take long.
usenongihamba njani
Angazi ukuthi kuya kusenza njalo maybe babengayenzi kuhle into zakhona but i-work permit as long as you have legally wabuya kuhle then wathola umsebenzi la hamba nama-papers wokuthi uthole umsebenzi there's no need ukuthi uthathe isikhathi eside.
yabona mbona kuyamkhumbuza okwenzakala kuwayeleni uke umphambanise emsebenzi ngoba ngama-issues ama-work permit
futhi.
yena akazange cause okunye sokungaba nje into zokufuna ukuprovelana nje ukuthi anti yabona ukuthi uKatsande wathi echile eteam lana ayichiyayo wahamba ku-podcast ngalo wafika wakhuluma istory i-team yasisithi njo thina besizithulela uzuresign but njengoba lawe ususicaya lathi sesithi buye uzoba ngu-assistant uqedise i-contract yakho so kuze kuyale last time ezebuye lapha kuBhoso ukuthi akazange wabuyela yena wafika wangakhulumi kuhle ngendaba zokuthi engasatholanga ipermit.
Shomlana wakhuluma
professionally wakhuluma kuhle. The only thing ayikhuluma wathi khona mina what I know ukuthi khona if you are in a foreign country and the papers are processed there's no need for you to be told to go back to your country and come when the papers
which are faked.
So I was told
but
the legal guys the immigration guys are looking for me. So I had to go. So I'm supposed to go. Ngaze ngasuka nganto esembaleka ngantiya lempahla zami hotel.
Ikho le yabona kule point yami ukuthi yabe kukhuluma ama facts but umuntu akhuluma ama facts ngayena okwamukele njani. So enxa nje okunye into yokufuna ukukhawulisana.
Because
surely I think elizweni selabo 3 weeks and
yeah.
But it's bad not only for the football of Zimbabwe, even for Zimbabwe.
For the country,
because iloku zenini president we always say uthi khona Zimbabwe is a friend for everyone and everyone wants to do business will come to Zimbabwe. So nxa besenza njalo ukwazi ukusupporta vele the mantra futhi ka president naleyo. So either way he's going to get his permit.
Because I was worried ukuthi uchomlo 3 weeks in the country ubebukela team kuma terraces
idliwa team kade singabe siyenza iprogress nje ama games ayahamba sokusele few
ngaqalisa ukuspana
sokusele few games
because ubuye labo yeya
assistant wakhe mbona bebukela iplatinum ichawa kulokhu zeni kuChibuku Super Cup iScotland ekuma terraces so asihle singene kuChibuku Super Cup gents. Ujo nje sakhuluma umuntu butapa seluve wathi hayi nto wazi sese umuntu butapa sesiphumule party kuChibuku hayi dantile sesiyathatha iChibuku so sathi sikhulumeni sesikhaya iChibuku ngimbona sehleka yena asiqalise
akafuni ukufawa be
asiqalise ke lokhu ze program games adlaliwe eChibuku I think ngeFriday beke game eScotland the platinum man esikhuluma ngayo kalokhu ze eScotland yafundisa iplatinum ibhora 3-1 mapeza
Scotland izidlalela ibhora bafethu
umaphezu umthambo wobamba yabona abantu abacinene udliwa nje
so lesikhathi
so lesikhathi side kakhulu bacine udliwa then Saturday bekula ama games iMozi le Agama iCapes le Simba Bora then le Ngezi le Kariba aphele so ama game lawo iMozi yadle Agama yacina 2-0 yacina iCapes United yacina i3-2 the Simba Bora then this was a surprise result to me lokhuzeni ZPC Karipi sidlingezi bengayikhangelelanga ngendlela ingezi ebi blind ngayo isizini yonke. I thought ukuthi igame le but you know ama-cup games
are different. Yeah.
ubona khona ama-cup games anything
njalo lezi LPC baba ungavumela ukuthi ukukora selingaphela laba babuya lazi phora labo
wazaza abantu bahlala umemba ngathi ukukore
Ekorile.
bahlala bebuza ku-comment ukuthi kanti
Ukukora
ukukora
kwenzani?
kuyini
ukuhlohla
Sebezefuna ukuphinde ethi ukukora ukukora.
lesi ngesikaphakela mthakathi ukukora
bahlala bebuza phela ku-comment ukukora uyawusithini
hayi iko sithi ingavumela ukukora leyana nje hayi siphelile
ingavumeli ukuthi ukuhlohla
hayi vele
avele kasakwanisi ukulungisa
but waphenduka kudala waphenduka ungakabili lokuze
phakela mthakathi
waphenduka uphakele ngathi phenduka nini dala waphenduka
wakuthatha phela kwisilingi kwakhona kufaka kuwe
asosilingi vele bona bakhuluma njalo
ngithi yena ukwenza kube isilingi kuye phela
but bese confuse ama-viewers i-two viewers
scorer ma-viewers score
nonetheless the two viewers
anyway if you're watching this episode for the first time please remember to like subscribe ukusubscribe amahara just subscribe they bafaka amajita labana press the subscription
Kaphuma kuyisound othi qopho.
it's free guy no, but this is not a joke guys honestly omunye umuntu wambuza ngathi menze edit this out uphase move special wathi kuyimalini ukusubscribe because people wathi kuyimali ukusubscribe ku YouTube ngathi no it's free ngathi but menze this edit this umuntu yabengakwazi genuinely asking umuntu engakwazi
No, because
sokola ngqondo leyo ukuthi nxa wathi subscribe kuyathiwa kubhadala so ngazothi ambuzanga umuntu but mina ngathi mana mbonti bazanti vele anilala ukuze nini i-visa card la mali vele obviously bazafuna wona nxa nisithi nyande ngibona ukuthi ngathi how so right
because kwamanye ama platforms ungavula ko Facebook usubscribe ufuna imali ku Twitter subscribe ufuna imali so I think umuntu yabevele khona
so they're not wrong
they're not wrong mina ngathi I means edit this part out abantu you know
abantu bamata because iproblem yethu thina abantu nxa ngaba lolwazi olungelala senguwe nona ukuthi wena udoma awucabanga ukwazi lutho somuntu sengukuthi take advantage ngokuhleka
so anyway just subscribe is free nxa ususubscribe waba part of family you can now engage us in the comment section engage nje ngama topics esikhuluma ngawo sama ukuthuthukisa ibhola leZimbabwe siliyakhe you understand any other topic esikhuluma ngawo nje you can engage us ushare lawa abanye batshela ukuthi hayi kule platform enje esikhuluma ngelokho ngebhola leZimbabwe continue kulama game adlalwe ngeSunday gents which is izolo the 16th of August iDynamos uthi umuntu ekele edeserve ukuthatha lokho
ayivurwa iDynamos
iDynamos chayithela uJo ngode esebenchini for this one
khanga lapha
kumbu
siyamephi ngowe
cause bese qalisile phela ucoach bahle bambhabha yabona into ethe ngisho
no actually uJoe bese
uJo cause bese qalisile I think uhle wahlala ebenchini bahle bamchaya 4 iDynamos 4 then ya draw idlibula Chiefs 1-0 i-Rentals idlwe i-Hunters 0-1 i-Islander idle i-Chicken in 3-1 ma penalties gents sibonile ichibuku these teams have gone through I was not happy officiating in some of these matches like igame ye-hard rock le Bulawayo Chiefs also kucine kusiba ngani kulo msindo iBulawayo Chiefs isilokhuza isibe surrounded urefu lapha urefu izifa is tried iPSL is tried week in week out bona talking about course refresher courses there is this course for the referees there is this course but some referees are not improving gents let's be honest some referees
vele I think nje abantu sebenza ngengqondo yokuthi akulanto esizabayenza yona yazi because ongakhayela this particular game eBulawayo Chiefs le draw you know everyone ubukele ukhona of course umuntu ozafika ethi urefu ebe on the pitch maybe kukhona akubonileyo but i-situation leyana so situation yokuthi Thombo zathiwa i-defender lislidile or liyaga umuntu or lidonsa umuntu
umuzimele
ebemile emuva and then washifta i-striker sala liziwela urefe egijima epointa ku-sport this akula report engawuyi ukujustify ukuthi kuthiwa urefe uboneni oku-different.
Yeah. I think like what Uganet has said, there's no justification for that kind of an error which the referee did. Yabona, I always tell people ukuthi I usually giving my examples ukuthi wena unje so you are not a police officer but uyayazi imithetho. But you are not given the powers to enforce the law. That's the difference between you and the police. As much as the fan uyabe wazi imithetho of refereeing but ikaphiwanga ama-powers to enforce the law of the game, the referee has been given that power. So that does not necessarily mean ukuthi when the referee is making a mistakes abantu ama-friends abawazi. This draws me back to one of my lecturers whenever you umi phambi kwabantu, don't assume ukuthi abantu they don't know about the subject you are talking about or teaching about. So always tell yourself ukuthi bayakwazi and you are going to be perfect in whatever you're doing. So lapana linesman urefer that's rather uhambe wathi yimi amphikiswa kulando and because there was no need ukuthi it's a contact sport igame lana aso netball. It's a contact sport.
Bale bakamthinta nje.
No wesi ukumthinta kwakhona yena ngiyadizama ukuyama. Then defender lizimele lasuka selifuna defend ibhola umuntu wasalesiwe and ukhombele esportini. And nxa kuyikuthi i-error ka ref, a genuine error ka ref, it brings the game of Zimbabwe into disrepute because kuyathiwa khona iyadrokile imali ibhadalile. Like nxa iyadroki ngabhadalanga.
You understand?
Yabona yi-problem esuke ibe khona ngama-errors anjani.
Especially those two teams.
They drop.
Even bewune clean
clean sokuthiwa kwenjani babhadalile, which makes it ukuthi kuphambane sekubulala ibhora ibhora i-team ayiwine nxa ukuthi ikwanisile ukudlala, ayidliwe nxa ukuthi yehleke ukudlala yodwa. You understand? Whereby lawo nxa ungucoach you go back to the drawing board and you sit down and see your errors. But nxa kunjana you always justify yourself awunguref ondlileyo. But la nxa kunamaphutha akho awusawaboni ususewaphinda futhi next match. So I think ama-referees, they have to just officiate the game and do the proper due diligence. I'm glad for most of the referees they've improved, especially ababe suspended the few of those who have been suspended they've improved.
Alana vele kafuni.
Lona ngibani uthongo chiwa Chiwada.
So that's the problem. Yabona ama-mistakes engiwa-acceptayo mina ebhoreni njenge-mistake yayizolo lokuzeni ukuyalenders le-chickenini i-offside la. Wonke umuntu uthe khona i-offside because sibone ngamehlwana ukuthi sibona ngamehlo enyama la nxa even ama-supporters e-Islanders basuke besithi offside, but nxa usuyibona usuthola i-view usubona no, it was an onside position. That is a mistake enziwa ngumuntu othi mistake yomuntu.
Khona bana I would like to commend ama-supporters e-Islanders football. I don't remember myself saying this. Comment ama-supporters e-Islanders ukuthi ayenza into enhle. But masuthi ukhulumile siqalisa show. They've improved ama-supporters e-Islanders kakhulu. In terms of routiness besiyazi ukuthi kwenzakala anything against the Islanders abaphuza ungene abasangene eground and sebe slowly but surely, thank you to i-pass and move khaya babukela abaningi i-pass and move sebe improve. We're proud of ama-supporters e-Islanders. So we're proud of you batshele nje even ema-groupini ukuthi we're proud of ama-supporters even ukujika izigubhu abasayi mina but ganye uzibone funny enough ngihle ngatshela ubutho wathi butho that's an onside. It's an onside ibhora lana, it's an onside.
But yeah, but like ubusha ukukhuluma ukuthi ama-situations anjengama-offside it's normal vele ukuthi uref eyibone or engayibone. But clear njengaleyana
that one was clear.
You expect uref ukuthi yenze okungcono.
Alana ulineman assistant ref nguye at fault. You can't fault the ref lapha.
But still but uref engahamba econsult ku-linesman still it lies in his
ezolo mina vele mbona ukuthi kubulawa i-Chiefs lapha uref yena vele ube yinto ade ayifuna because lona umuntu uthe eqeda esiwa vele uref besekhombile which means
Masithi bese hlanze zoyi2 besithi Highland offside.
Hayi.
Bulawayo Chiefs hayi that one.
Hayi.
Because most of the times mina into ekhulunywa uMasuda and uref ya breather in enga point to the spot but lwana ka breather
Lwana
uthatha decision.
Lwana kazange amelele ulineman. Singazi kumbe asifuna ukuthi maybe kumbe yathi kule mali ade ibanjiswe ngomuntu.
Hayi lena vele i referee decision.
Le referee.
Bulawayo Chiefs
Use wakhomba and yabona Liana enjana iyadala ikubona ama players ebulawayo Chiefs edala umsindo because Liana loba kube uthiwa umelele enye into kumbe kwangani kuba lesandla wasesithi mayibode fungonika iphena not in that way
but angikuthandi lokho uyizwe awusukwenziwa ama players lama officials ebulawayo Chiefs to me angivele lokhana ngusupport
because once so
angusupport any vele ngaze ku20
once bekele I decision uref wa charge iphena la dlala ibhora ladlala phela avele bekungasela need yokuthi behambe besiyaba
need yoku protester is there but not ukuthi likhambe
kulendlela yakhona
captain lo maybe coach ehambe bebuza that lapha nokuhambe njani esiyabuza just clarity then you lodge your complaint later on
ngendlela ibulawayo Chiefs yenza ngayo
but sizwakala lapha
ngendlela ibulawayo Chiefs yenza ngayo I don't expect that because ibulawayo Chiefs uyayibona even beza ama workshops lama players bebodwa and ayizaki kwenze vele lokho even they disgruntled okunjani abazabe kwenze lokho
it happens but
you understand ukuthi you must teach izinto ezinjalo kumele
sihlezi copy chicken in la nxa idliwa la nxa iwina la nxa iphilwa they don't fight
lokho kuvunakala lokho sikufuna
chicken inayizange yayenza stay away yini ngesikhathi
hayi ukuthi laba sephambanisile ucopy chicken
stay away stay away akuvunyelwa
copy chicken
aso team yokopa
bathi kopa baluzi
but chicken inayikopa
chicken ini yanika Scotland league
hayi inayikopa lwana
but check kule incident abantu bagcina besithi maybe against coach or ama decisions but izolo mbone enye I decision lana I've seen it kuma leagues amaningi emabholo no coach beyenza once wabona ukuthi I player yami kumbe I first half i-tackle kubi bayithi yellow card wabuya futhi wachaya i-tackle even if it's first half wachaya i-tackle futhi uref wamnika warning I've seen coaches taking out that player sebona ukuthi umuntu lo uza njani uza scout ahle substitute emasinya efaka omunye umuntu besibukele lo butho utsho mlana you went for a tackle uref wamnika yellow card and you went for another dangerous tackle which deserved another yellow card uref wamnika I-warning ngathi butho coach should take this guy out because okuyenzakala khathesi utsho mlo uyacost chicken in because to be honest gents Highlanders was out of that game we all know Highlanders trainang vele bengatrain totally kule player elibonakale asosithi iqambe ngebizo elibonakale Saturday lizinathela
belise ground
belidlala libonakale Saturday lizinathela
nathi Saturday Sunday segame
Sunday siyadla we're talking about professional football asikwazi abanye but kukhuluma ngalo obonakele
esimprotector
esingeke simqambe ngebizo ichicken in was supposed to roll over Highlanders
I think kunapana that is a mistake yenziwe technical department ethi ukuthi kona you have seen ukuthi this guy is not a soft guy is a tough guy because even lapha phiwe kona second yellow yakhe it was a 50-50 challenge but uref ubesediniwe la ukuthi leke khuza umuntu
I understand
amen
ubesediniwe ukuthi leke khuza umuntu esensitive one so because ngesikhathi I think by that time bathi sebenza ithi sinothi sefunga umsapula because i-tackle ade yenzile lana ibinga warrant yellow card but the fact ukuthi kona constantly ubulokhu khuzwa and because even singafiki ku tackle lana ekhulunywa ngokuze ngiash ube kwayenza ama tackles ade tough ukuthi khona abekhanya ukuthi this guy is not slowing down is not even thinking ukuthi le yellow card is if umuntu ongela yellow card so besefuze ekhitshwe so that nxali lidlala lani lidlala likwanile nxa ungaba lenye incident straight red card kube incident evela komunye umuntu but evikelekayo linjani livikelile. That is where the problem came now. So I think ayisikho nje ukudlisa team, but khona kufuze avoid in the near future.
Ke bekudlisile was why usithi ke udlisile butho. Ngikhuluma ukuthi Highlanders was out, bra. Highlanders only picked up
After sephumile.
second half umpepengcisi uChomrana sephumile. Sokusela abo 15 minutes ukhanti ngama cause as professionals but ungahlala isikhathi ungatrain ke affect game. So Highlanders was out. Chicken was supposed to dominate play. Idle vele Highlanders outright.
Uyawazi mina honestly mina I'm a Highlanders supporter. I thought Izolo within 7 minutes maybe Chicken yabe sikorile. Cause singathi Highlanders Izolo iChicken bidlala amabhozers baba. La ubukwazi ukuthi abafana laba 1 abagolanga, 2 abakhempanga, 3 badakiwe.
Abanye bankhona.
Abanye bakhona.
Zonelwa imvuyinye
Bavela kulawo. Njalo abanye babuye ngo-12.
Dakwe one kudakwe wonke.
Omunye ubuye ngo-12. 4 abala coach. Ucoach la ade ngikho.
Assistant coach
So,
coach. Assistant coach umcoach, ucoach wekhona.
So izolo ade ukukhethwa ukuthi but na coaching ngizizwa ngiright. Angachaya iwinga ngena. Mina lami coaching ngizizwa ngiright. High strike force ngazama coach angena. Uyabona? Udlala le team enjalo. Ntonderai.
Wena bakho bayahola
ade uTonderai nje. uTonderai singasinganjani awunderai uhlulekile isona. Udlalela amabhuzers.
Yeah, but into
abantu abagolanga abakhempanga yabona kulezi zinto eziningi yalinda dingazenza.
Yeah, but sisiya khona lapho yes the blame goes to the coach of Chicken, but Highlanders la used to try and address some situations anjengala.
Hayi wena ungafiki kuHighlanders sakhuluma ngeChicken. Sakhuluma ukuthi iChicken ihluleke abantu abangakhempanga, abantu abangaholanga, abantu abangatrainanga, abantu ababuya omunye ubuye ngo-12 omunye ubesithuka emkoteni omunye usuka ngapi wathi afethu
yes that's true
but wahlula i-team enjalo
so sisehlulekile i-team and sekwehlulekile kule Wednesday he has got a chance to rectify that.
Hayi wena ungaseli nge-Wednesday uyabona iChicken kuHighlanders antsho kube hayi singathi ungivele izontshela abantu ungabizi njenge-Chicken. iChicken ngoba kwasathi iChicken yabigijima phani ngakaphekwa ngani iHighlanders ibona iChicken into esiphekiwe sivuthiwe hayi iHighlanders ayazenzela kuChicken every day yazidlela kuphela iChicken.
Do you know ukuthi eBoreni
mina iChicken mbone ngathi lapha singayenza team yethu konke le ngale bemidi Chicken siyayidla hayi Chicken iyadleka hayi Chicken iyadleka.
yawazi asho eBoreni kunjani i-derby most of the times inzima but kungasenani kwenzakele okwayizolo thina we accept the lose and
okwayizolo butho ungakhuluma okwayizolo kaChicken nzingenini siyidla sidle sitrainer sayidla singatrain sayidla sevele ebabhawa hayi butho akukuthuke kaChicken yakho le
yikho ngisafukhuluma iHighlanders is only this year lapha edle
sevukurwayo Masud.
No, hayi but
season
into le emeli khulune Kenneth, especially issue mina I'm concerned nge-issue Highlanders especially.
yiyo emvala konke issue Highlanders
Kenneth
azinokumele abafana beHighlanders
ukhuluma enye into nje sisezacina singena kuform second half mina ngicela 7 minutes yasisibulala but khona khona asho ukhuluma layo eBoreni lo bathi ungawomi ungadlali but ungagijima more than 45 minutes ugcina ungena eBoreni
Ugcina usichisile.
igcine yasivumela sachisa
Kodwa guys vele I think mina kokukhuluma ngeboss ukuthi kumele belungisana. Kudala ukukhuluma. Leminyaka lokho ukukhuluma.
imali kaMonga ibuyanga
I'm sure siyangena.
Sondebe ngakhulisa abantwana
Abanike ama 250.
hayi 250 kunimbonas iluzi salary again
But that's why I think
something
Ireland igcina isiba yi-professional social club.
professional social.
You understand ukuthi kubuhlungu ongana for a brand like Highlanders celebrating 100 years.
ukhona umuntu ade khuma uspecial lapha niseceleni la ekhuluma isithi yabona iHighlanders ngalapha sifike khona ngathi ngayo ukuthi khona ilama companies awe Highlanders
Proper
ile TV channel eHighlanders
people have said this
all
before.
those things awufuna ukwenza
i-team enkulu engatrainiyo ehlangana ngo-12 engakhempiyo kuze kubonakala iplayer linatha umuntu elibona ekuseni umuntu elibona elibukele elibukela
elibhadala ukuyalibukela
so usidelela sibilo ukuthi
and
we cannot expect
idoti wazosajula
goes back to into esitsho ukuthi
Uzanika abantu ama-ideas.
into likhuluma ngayo Ashi Lobutho lo kanti into esikhuluma ngayo ukuthi goes back to why iHighlanders ingalama TV channel la kanje akulabantu bebhora abathanda iHighlanders kube kulabantu abathanda iHighlanders kanje kube iHighlanders ikude ngale administration ekhona izolo bengalalelanga abantu liba interview lapha bathi ngizwe one person esithi bantu sonke asithathe namakhadi sikwazi singakhulumeli sikude but sikwazi ukuthi mayinto sebehluleka sikwazi ukuba khipha yabona abantu laba bafuna ukukhitshwa iHighlanders administration lana ifuna ukukhitshwa ngoba kuyayangisa lokho even ku D2 akulanto enjalo
ya sibambe urefu but sathi sesingene
Yeah.
Division 1 football continues Eastern region iBlack Rhinos ngani ibaleka lento laphana lokhu ivule i5 point gap over Amanda 19 engezi to show seriousness engezi Amanda 19 abo angu number 2
a perform
ku northern region then ku Lokuzen Central region igap isivali ikhwekhwe is coming up ivalile igap eblanket mine iblanket mine silida nge 3 points is getting interesting lapha same as southern region layo isisiba interesting sibili iwange vule ma points amade mbono onke sebevalile igap is now 6 points iTalent Vision la ivalile ichiya nge 3 points so iwange ichiya iTalent Vision nge 3 ichiya inkayi nge 6 ku Eastern region iYada is running away lento iYada is showing ukuthi ifuna ukuphenduka ku Premier League ubukhuluma ngomagaya uzenzela into zakhe athule akabangi msindo warelegate wahamba khanya selungisisile izinto iYada ifuna ukuphenduka ibalida i10x I think bayilida nge4 points balida i10x nge4 points iYada ifuna
lona umuntu webhora lona
iYada ifuna ukuphenduka then this weekend gents starting off nge-Wednesday ama-game lawana ayipostponiwe Scotland iziyedlala le-Kaizer Chiefs friendly iHighlander ngoba lo monakalo lapha yapa postpone igame adlalwa this weekend ku-Castlelaga Premier Soccer League. Let's look at feeling lucky with Lucky Bets. I think this is the segment esikhangela khona iCastlelaga Premier Soccer League then ama-gents asinikeze senzela wena osibukela okokuqala ongakwazi segment le feeling lucky with Lucky Bets. Where we look at a Premier League football years but iCastlelaga Premier Soccer League and ama-gents esinikeze ama predictions week 25 Highlanders on the 19th of August match day 25 for Highlanders le Lokuzen le Scotland Dynamos takes on Scotland eRufaro on 3 nge-Wednesday 19th August 2026 Highlanders takes on Chicken Inn Football Club besikhuluma iHighlanders uthi aba-train what will Chicken Inn finally rectify ama mistakes or iHighlander ingahamba itrainer will Highlanders continue dominating Chicken Inn this season?
Yeah, game lay it's in two ways. Chicken Inn is under pressure ukuthi kona sidliwe Dynamo iHighlanders back to back in the space of a season and they want to rectify the error and iHighlanders when they come so kufuna is now a mental Lokuzen thing, especially psychological thing kuma coaches so ufuze begada against complacency because when they go besiyadlala le Chicken Inn ibidaz vele siyakudla lokho kuyakwanisa ukuba cost so le Chicken Inn ingahamba isithi khona vele iHighlanders isikhulela kuyakwanisa ukuba limaza futhi so yikho kufunakala khona ama psychologists ukuthi khona bayayincedisa ukuthi no each and every game is different from another game. Go and play the game. Highlanders hambo dlala ibhola lakho, Chicken Inn hambo dlala ibhola lakho and you can find a better result.
The prediction kanye Dynamo Scotland
Scotland ile age 2-1 Scotland win 2-1 over Dynamos.
Dynamos win 2-0.
Dynamos win or draw, but Dynamos in favor of Dynamos.
We also look at it. Highlanders Chicken Inn.
Also win 1-0.
It's a 2-2 draw this time around.
hayi amakuthuthu maningi amagola mntana ngiyakwazi ukuthi i-prediction yakho sibili two ama-2 goals each maningi
Islanders chicken in
Islanders iyako chicken iyathenga ibucket this time ayishaya two.
Mina
hayi chicken nini kudla kwethu
I'll give it 1-0 to chicken in.
kanye sisugqoka iskipa se chicken in that competition is still running.
Yes.
Ungabatshela
Uhamba laphana vula ku browser yakho efonini uhambe ku luckybets.co.zw ubusuvula i-account. Ungavula i-account ubusudeposa. Ungavula i-account yakho lapha ubusudeposa $5 and then ubusushare lathi screenshot. Bashare ngaphi ku number
screen.
Share ku number ku screen lapha na stand a chance to win ijezi le chicken elihle eli quality.
Replica
and this competition is not for people who are in Bulawayo only. It's for people who are in Zimbabwe, wherever you are. You can do, you send a representative to come and collect on your behalf.
Baningi asebebuyile uzothatha.
Baripo wami wakatomboyina chifa ku Harare. Lezinto sikhulume ngolimi lweshona ukuthi novula pa browser yakho type luckybets.co.zw then you deposit $5 using Omari Inbucks or Echo Cash. You take a screenshot, then you place a bet or you take a screenshot, then otumisira pa number yokubuda ipapo. You stand a chance to win a chicken replica like this one and it's real. Inindakatombo zwita ondika win.
What the guys are simply saying is just open an Lucky Bets account, deposit $5, take a screenshot of you play a ticket, then you stand a chance of winning a chicken in beautiful replica cheese. Anja isandla anja Viva. And you mentioned something very critical. You deposit using EcoCash, Omari, and Inbucks. Those are the three that you can use. Then match day 27 checked. Saturday, the 22nd of August, 2026. Saturday, we've got Moz taking on ZPC Karipa and Ngoni.
1-1.
0-0.
Umasutu amanze ephula abesemenzela izitayile ubesejaya 6-9. Sara basutu Moz versus Karipa.
Moz 2-1.
Platinum FC Platinum takes on agama eMandaba. I think mepengcele lapha iyabisibuyile lokhuzeni permit ka
Thabo Sello FC Platinum.
Platinum kunzima idraw agama la iyafuna.
Simba Bora takes this one
Platinum lapha ba Platinum.
Simba Bora takes on Scotland. What's anaye?
Hey.
Yafiwa.
Scotland.
Simba Bora 1-0.
Scotland 2-0.
Draw or Scotland. We not draw Scotland.
Simba says draw Scotland.
FC Hunters takes on Hard Rock Rufaro.
He enters this is a but yeah, we need Rock.
Hard Rock team of the
Draw.
moment.
Draw.
Hard
Rock. Bulawayo Chiefs takes on Cape United at Veve Stadium. This one we're definitely going for. It's a big
Saturday. Bulawayo Chiefs.
Bulawayo Chiefs 1-0.
Chiefs
also. Tell one takes on Triangle Ascot.
Tell one.
Cho. Yizo cho.
Draw. Elama goals.
Lawu nikucho. Ibhekle of relegation but if you triangle pass.
Mina ngikwazi ukuthi team kaKhaka yehle ukuhlohla yabona so yiko ku trick.
Then Sunday the 23rd of August 2026 we've got Manika Diamonds takes on Ngezi Platinum Stars eSakuva.
Manika.
Ngezi.
Zamuthi Ngezi 2-1.
Then Islanders is at home to Rentals at Papa Field Stadium.
Abazafunda manje.
Awukhulu yahlohla.
Hayi.
Butho yekela ama jokes.
Ekwazi ukuthi kulabantu
angithi ya wena nje ukhulu yahlohla.
Kulabantu abathipenda ngawo iticket khona lapha.
Kuyadlisa abantu imali zabo.
Ukhulu yahlohla kuyaba yi2-1.
Ukhulu wakwahlohla
2-1.
Uyakwazi into ekhulunywa uGanet uqinisile. Kulabantu ababheja besithi ubutho ojayele ukubamba.
Ngithe ukhulu yahlohla iyawina iRentals 2-1.
ikhona vele anytime score nje wazi
But i-Renters yawina.
ngithi khona anytime score umuntu
Kodwa
ebebheje
ukhulu uyahlohla.
umuntu wabheje nje ukhulu
Ukhulu
uyahlohla.
uyahlohla.
hayi uthi ukhulu uzahlohla iskipper
Oh.
Manje
Then
sele-
finally Dynamo takes on Chicken in Rufaro Stadium. That's the last game.
Dynamo sesidla lathi.
Dynamo's team of the moment.
hawu umtasa abavurwayo Nathan Mtasa
Sihle sidla Dynamo silegile kugcine Dynamo so yeah.
So just that's the show. Last wait see Valenin. Qalisa ngawe
ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe lapho lokucomment lokunxusa abanye njalo ungakhohlwa futhi sikutshele khona ngokuhamba esayina up Lucky Bets uthola ichance yokuwina ireplica enhle eChickenini ukuthula uxolo kindonki
Butho.
What I can say is, like, as fans, let's keep on supporting the beautiful game of football, staying away from hooliganism, any form of hooliganism, pitch invasion, and so forth. So I'm so proud of us as fans. Recently, we're not doing that. We're not throwing missiles. We're just supporting the game. Let's continue doing that. And remember to support Pass and Move Special, Pass and Move podcast, and Depth 3 events, everything that you see on Depth 3. Just type Depth 3, follow us on YouTube, Facebook, all platforms, Depth 3 TV.
Sutman.
Mina lami ngizakhuluma like ubuthwa ade kusho. Like
So uzakopa.
hayi ngizakufaka ngenye
Idepi baba.
ungakope lebizo
Ngeke Wednesday.
ngizakufaka ngendlela awuvule ngamamehlo amvule amehlo khona nje but umvule ngelibanzi like ezama supporters anjo nyaka ngithanda nanzelela eBhayibhelini intwa the greatest of commandments all luthando yabona if singathanda sithanda football akulwa umuntu ongaphosela something ku pitch akulwa umuntu ongachaya umunye umuntu so konke kusukela kuluthando even masingathanda this podcast anjo wonke umuntu uzasubscribe wonke umuntu uzalalela wonke kusukela ngothando so asibe nothando lento yethu ukuze siqhubekele phambili
Ibala lelo libona lami ngela umzimzini basezasakapa.
Saskapa.
ahlupha babala laba
Lume English
Ufana kanjutha jana kanjutha ku birth certificate.
abhetha ubhethe vele
Categorically.
Ngathi sengikhulile nganhlutha ngo statistics.
yala magaba
Categorically.
Statistics.
ubhethe vele
Lali
birth
phuma-
certificate ukhona uboys wayemhlupha wayemthola ka umzosisi certificate
President boys anyway there you have it guys until next week thank you to our sponsors Lucky Bets asikwazi ukuthi thank you to Lucky Bets also iPula Water asawumi these days yabona siqeda i-podcast si-fresh njani also thank you so much to Okuhle Designs also they've been with us since day one also thank you to Sport Zone yabona amabhora la siwafaka phambili amahle uhambe ezithela into zakho zonke ozifuna e-Sport Zone anything ama-sports hambe ezitholela khona bana e-sports also ngikhumbuze ngesikho so ngithi I remind you guys please subscribe ibalile ohlupha uMasuthu edele imhluma uMasuthu please subscribe laphana upress ibhera kule bhera laphana i-notification wenze ukuthi anything that comes on the channel uyakwanisa ukuyithola khona until next week guys.